Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Ito na naman ang Billboard journey ng ating SB19 para sa kanilang Fan Army competition this year. Babanggain na naman ang napakaraming musicians at singers sa buong mundo with SB19. Kayang-kaya, kinakaya, kakayanin ng SB19 dahil 3 times, yes, 3 times na panalo ang SB19 laban sa mga bigatin at higanting mga singers sa buong mundo at sila na yata ang Hall of Famer na naturang kompetisyon ng Fan Army of Billboard. Can you imagine 3 times panalo ang 18 with SB19 sa Billboard Fan Army? At heto naman ngayon, this year, panalo kaya ang SB19 laban sa mga higanting mga musicians sa buong mundo? As a matter of fact, headline ang SB19 sa Billboard online publication nila at na-recognize at na-appreciate ng Billboard ang 3 times winners ng SB19 bilang Fan Army na pinakamalakas ang 18. Kaya naman maraming salamat 18 at good luck SB19.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't wait.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.